guys, it's been a while. I haven't taken a video for a while. I haven't vlogged for a while, but this time I'm gonna just show you guys more like a documentary, I guess. I haven't done any interaction from this video, but I hope you guys still enjoy, and see you next time.
Welcome sa mga Pag-ibig family and Amway family. And so, mag-discuss na si Ma'am Rina na unveil na ang cake. 50 beautiful years young, and you know, we pass 50 years once only in our life. Di ba no? Isa na tayo 50 years old. And so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request the loved ones first before coming to give their wish, birthday wish for your mama. And so we would like to start sa youngest. We'll give you his birthday wish. You stand beside your
good health, ingat ke depan. What?
good, good life. And thank you for not giving up on us, for everything. Thank you so much. And my wish for you is to have many more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more cakes to slice. And thank you so much for everything. I'm truly grateful that I have a mother like you. Thank you so much for everything. And I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Happy birthday.
To parts, parts ako tawag. I wish you good health, great life in the future, and more blessings. So happy birthday, God bless you always.
Thank you, Sir Dan.
Thank you sa friendship.
Birthday pa man na karon oy. Birthday pa man na karon.
Mom, ang wish na ko sa imo, all the best to the coming days to come. I know na basta kabalo na ka anak, Mom. Basta all I can say, thank you sa kanan. Na inyong natabang sa tuwa, Mom. All the time na we share together, all the memories we have with each other. Ang time na kanang every day na magbuman sa kaliod to, ang atong mga memories, atong mga istoryahan, kanang problema mo itong na-share. Kanang mag-treasure mo na dito. Basta mga pagkakas, I love you po.
Thank you, Ma'am Juliet. Hi! Hello! Good evening, everyone! Tonight it's full of pag-ibig. Oh, grabe. Pag-ibig is in the air. To one of the most charming, sweet, and gracious lady that I've ever known. Pag magsuya mga din mo ginaan I go home, I always tell my dad, bakit hindi si Ma'am Gina may surya na dinuman? Grabe na siya ka. Ano na sa Tagalog? Malumanay, kanang pinahimutang. Na maski na po yung problema, pag makadungog ka sa iyang tingog, walang mag-kamgit ka sa iyang mga surya. Pag sunod na ako na adlaw ko, okay? 50 naman din si Ma'am Gina. And then na-shock ko kaya tanawin mo siya, she doesn't look like she's 50. I wish na next year, mag-50 ko, inana ko ng taxi sa mga tao sa akong mga wala pa ako natigulang, maski sa apelido na lang ikaw na ako ngayang. Anyway, Mom, I wish you happiness, and I wish that all your dreams will come true. I know that ang mga dreams, hindi pa tayo nag-fulfill, and hopefully, and eventually, everything will come true. Happy birthday, Ma'am Gina.
I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. My friends with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything.
And that's it for today, guys. I appreciate you guys spending a bit of your time watching the video. But if you're wondering what Mom is doing in this clip, she's just giving her appreciation speech for those who came in her birthday celebration. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.